This video will describe how to use the screenshot tool in Read and Write for the Mac desktop. This tool is used to read text that is embedded in an image. The screenshot tool is not found on any of the pre-assigned toolbars, but can be placed on the user-defined toolbar. Refer to the toolbar modes video to learn how to customize a user-defined toolbar. The website shown illustrates an example of text and text embedded within an image. The text can be easily highlighted and read aloud.
A tornado watch means be prepared.
The text within the image cannot be highlighted and therefore cannot be read aloud. Use the screenshot tool to manually recognize text that is otherwise inaccessible. Use the crosshairs to draw a box around the passage that you would like read aloud. After the program converts the image to text using optical character recognition, OCR, the text will be automatically read aloud.
Tornado watch weather conditions could lead to the formation of severe storms and tornadoes.
Click anywhere outside the box to stop reading. Click the play button to read the text again.
Tornado watch weather conditions could.
Click the X button to delete the box. An option is available to extract the text from the image into a Word document. Click the Preferences icon and select the Screenshot Reader tab. In the Screenshot Output Settings section, change the selection from Screen to Microsoft Word in the pull-down menu. After clicking Close, use the Screenshot Reader tool on an image. The selected text now appears in Microsoft Word and can still be read aloud.
Tornado watch weather conditions could lead to the formation of